Okay, welcome to my channel again. This is another way, this is a part two of the H2H new. Now, I'm telling you how you can use H2H new to play over 1.5, over 2.5 to determine those clubs that are that can score goals. It's as easy as that. If you go, let me just go randomly and choose any club side. Let's say Wake FC and Asheville. Now, when you go to H2H, for example, and look at them, now with this, can you say they can score goals? Like Asheville has 2-1, has 3-1, has 4-0. From this indication, Asheville score goals. They are good in goals. Wake FC are not too good in goals. So in this case, if you think further, you say, okay, if in this case, since Asheville City is away, and the indication you think and say, okay, they can score at least one goal in this game, and Wake being home can still score a goal. So in this case, you can see there's no 1.5 because what you are thinking is exactly what these people that are putting this odds are also thinking. So you have to know the procedure, and if it aligns with your own procedure, you know that. So sometimes any game, any over and under that starts with 2.5, it's 70% that it will enter. So if you go for this, it's not a bad thing to do. But if there's 1.5, it's the best for you. But this you're taking risk. But from an all indication from what I just told you, 2.5 is very possible. Let's choose another one to tell you how you navigate to that. Um, let's use this Ecuador for example. Now, remember we are using H2H new, saying how you can use H2H new to play over 1.5 without going to H2H. You know, how you can use H2H to play your one over 1.5, over 0.5, over 2.5, even over 3.5. So now this is this. Then when you go to the statistics, you dive into the H2H new again. Here you see that America de Quito is home. Okay, America de Quito is home, and if you look at their game here, they are not good. They don't score too many goals, and the Independence here don't score too many goals. What does it do? What does it tell you? Is it that you play over 1.5 or under? Understand? So, which one is like this particular topic is also for under. It will give you a clue on how you can play. If you can play over 1.5, over 2.5, or under 3.5, under 4.5. So in here now, you check it. You say, okay, 1.5 might not be possible here. It's 50-50. 2.5 is a no in this game. Then under 3.5 is 50-50. It's just the same as 1.5 in this game. Once you check so if you're taking a risk, it's either you take it a risk of under 3.5. If you look at it, under 3.5 has 1.20 odds. That's to tell you that they are aligning to what I'm saying. You can close your eyes and play it if you want to take the risk, but if I were you, leave this entire. You mustn't play it. Okay? You must not play this game. Okay, so we can go to other games. You know, we can still go to, let's use South Sudan and Gambia. Like I told you, HUHU is not good to play um to decide on countries like World Cup, countries qualifications, something like that. But sometimes it can still guide you. Now, this is South Sudan and Gambia. When you go to SGH, what are we saying? We are trying to know whether you can play 1.4, 1.5 or under. But one thing I know about African games is that they don't score too many goals. But South Sudan, is it a footballing country? Yes, Sudan is a footballing country, but South Sudan can be is a footballing country because they had their independence from they separated from Sudan, so it's possible that it can be good. Gambia is also 50-50 in terms of that. South Sudan in their previous records under HHU, you can see that they are not, even South Sudan won them last time, that you can see it's 1-0. Now if you go to Gambia, even Gambia won them, South Sudan, but if you go to Gambia, you look at it, Mali, both are not good. Both are 50-50, not good. To ascertain and to put your curiosity at bay, you can see it 1-0 only. So it's the same to what you can get in H2H new. You don't need to go to H2H because you've already set in H2H new. So in here now, what is the game are you to play here based on what you've just saw? So under is a better closure in African. If you can see, you can still play it under 2.5, it will enter. Under is just, but this is a very risky game I'm playing here. So you can check other ones. You can check other ones, and you can check other ones. Let's say Iceland, for example, women. Sometimes when you don't have something to play, go to the women's league. The women score goals as well. Understand? They also score goals. Okay. So we are still on the what we are talking about using H3H to indicate. Under H3H down like Green Davik 1-0. Blah, blah, blah. They are not good at scoring goals. Why their opponent is good in scoring goals. The opponent is good and the opponents are away. So in this occasion, over 1.5 will enter because if you look at the goals they score here, 6-1, 1-0, so they are good. Even if you check the table, you see they are good. So with this, you can close your eyes and say, let me just give it actually to them. You can still, but if you are not sure of this, since this game, this video is all about over knowing over 1.5 over 2.5. So what do you do? Where is it? Look at it, they put it over 3.5. You see what I'm telling you? But if you're not sure to play it, it's okay. If you're not sure to play, but you can just take the risk and play it all the way. But know that in this game, that Copa Vogo, the away team, is definitely going to win in this game. So that's it. So let's continue. Let's continue. Women, let's go to women. Sometimes women's they score too many goals. So the let's go to H2N again. Now, if you look at this Real Javik are not good. They're not superb at all. Then the opponents, okay, Vigor is good. Vigor is good, and their away. Vigor is Vikingo is good. Their away, so the away team is better here. You can close your eyes and put away to win. Look at it. They put it over 1.5 here, which means there's too many goals has to be scored in this game. It's an indication. See how this HH new gave you the clue that goals. There are so many goals that will be scored in this game. But if you still want to ascertain some things, you can still go to the table and check for yourself. You see it? But like I told you, there's no room. You can still go and play it away to win. You can still go to play it. So you can still go all the way and give it over 4.5 here. So for the last time in this game, let's use another one. Let's use okay. Let's check another one. I like women's game. I don't know. Okay, let's check another women's game for the okay. No, let's check another one. Let's use USA because USA is very tricky sometimes. This USA is very difficult to play. Now it's between Tennessee and South Soccer Academy Kings. When you go to H2H, for example, you see that Tennessee is not doing well here. Only that the 5-0 here is okay. And you see that the Southern, this and that, are not doing well. So Tennessee is, but Southern Soccer won them the last time they played, which is a good thing. But is record Tennessee record is not too bad as well. It's not too bad. But they're almost on the same lane. But since Tennessee is at home, what do you do? So you can't just go and put here. No, it's wrong. But since we are playing, is this a good one to play? No, no, no. Don't try it. Don't try it. It's not a good one to play in this game. But for me, I'm leaving it for now. But it's not a good one to play. So um but I'm leaving my own for now. But the good one to play is this, home or draw. But don't join me to play this. So that's it. That's how the HUH that will help you play your over 1.5, over 2.5, over 3.5, under 3.5, under 4.5 as you wish. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, please.